You come in? Hmm? Oh shit, lock. Hold on. We're gonna do some tricks, okay? Okay. There we go. Get out from between my legs. Oh, my mother. Why are you wet? Why are you wet? Hold on. Yeah, stop. Choke chain off. Stop looking at me. Hey. Sit. No, stop. Up. Okay, not that kind of up. Sit down. That's lying down. Up. Look at that! Stop jumping on me. Sit. Nope. Okay, good boy. Stay. No, stay. No. Turn around. Turn around. Good boy. Lay down. Lie down. Up. Up. Stop. Bow. Or bow. That's lying down. Up. Ouch. Bow. Bow. No, that's up. Or God damn. Bow. Naked. Bow. That's still lying down. Get your paw off my foot. Yeah. Paw. Ah! Sorry, that's not paw. Back up. Why are you wet? Ah! Paw. Good boy. Here, stop biting me. I will pet you. Stop. Yes, you like that, don't you? Can you stare at the camera? Door? Yes. Up. Up. Not on me. Get out of my backpack. Down. Bow. There you go. Good boy. That's a bow. Ah! Someone likes to be petted. My glasses are falling off. Yes. That's a good boy. How big you are, man. Find your sweet spot. Come on. Lay down. Whoa, glasses. Is that your sweet spot? No? Lay down. Door, lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Now to this side. Lay down. Not your paw. Ah! Lie down. No. Okay.